Nakaka-pressure ba, Kuya?
Hindi, 50 plus. Hindi ako na-pressure na natawa nga ako. Sabi ko, wow, grabe yung support ng ABS for them to solely produce this project. Free TV and all.
You said
It's-
50 plus?
Kami, sa karakter sa...
Alam ko
shit.
your age.
No, sobra ka naman, MJ. Maraming tayo dyan, kalma ka lang. Kalma ka lang. Pero yun nga, napakalaki. And then we have cameos from different personalities. Bigla ang darating sa si Toto, nandito ka. Oh, wow! Yung mga ganun. So hindi sila nagtitipid. Kaya sabi ko, wow talaga. Salamat. Maraming salamat, ABS-CBN.
Binuhos dito sa Pamilya Sagrado. Okay, ang next na magtatanong.
I understand, Aaron will help me sa floor. Kala mo naman kung
Ang layo eh, no?
Who is,
Kala mo
siya is the first
PICC
person.
Partner, ang susunod
Plenary
na
hall.
magtatanong ay ang willing magpapadal. Walang iba kundi si Michael Louis Almacen of Big's Boss.
Uy, maganda yung question ni Bix. Promise, pinag-uusapan namin, seatmate kami habang while watching.
Alright.
Ano, ang daming appears dito sa Pamilya Sagrado kasi ito yung teleserye, kumbaga ito yung nagpabalik sa'yo sa teleserye. What was your parang initial reaction when nung nabasa mo yung character mo?
Sabi ko, ang sarap paglaruan kasi napakasama niya. Tapos alam mong maraming paghuhugutan dun sa conflict na pagdadaanan ng character niya with Gray, with Mylene, with my dad, Tirso Cruz, with John Arcilla, and then there's Kyle, and then there's Shaina, and then there's Bella. Napaka-complex niya. Sabi ko, ito yung tipo ng story na ang sarap bigyan ng buhay kasi hindi ka nakakahon. You go with the flow as your writers, as the scripts come, ikaw mismo ma-amaze sa pag-expose ng mga conflict. And it's nice to be in that ride, you know, to just be along the ride, be a collaborator, be a team player. So sabi ko yung reaction ko niya, ito na to, I mean kung gagawa ko ng soup, ito na yun.
Masarap ba maging masama?
At first, that's why, you know, pag doon ka kailangan may redemption, hindi ka stuck there, hindi ka stuck doon because there was a concept that was pitched to me before and I said, parang walang redemption yung character. Ayoko naman ng ganun. Of course, when you want to show something to the viewers, you want them to have something that they can bring with them and learn from and, you know, to take them with them. Para may learnings, may hopes, meron ka makikita ng redemption dun sa istorya panonood.
Alam mo, nung napanood namin kanina talaga, hindi namin nakita si Fiona, kundi si Rafael Sagrado yung napanood namin. Pero
Salamat.
kailan mo naramdaman na ikaw na si Rafael?
Nung lumalabas na yung puting buhok ko, sabi sa akin ni Carl, sabi niya sabi ko Carl, papatina na ako. Siyempre, papatina naman ako lagi, pasensya naman. Pero sabi niya, hindi, pakita natin. Sabi ko, okay, I feel naked, pero it is what it is. You know, it helped me with my character. Whenever I look at myself in the mirror, sabi ko, that's Rafael Sagrado.
So ito na nga yung tanong, kasi may anak ka dito, si Gray at saka si...
Hindi pa pala yun ang tanong.
No, Bix, kasi medyo...
Kanya nag-usap.
sinabi ko, di ba? Sorry.
Oo sabi ko, it's Piolo's better person to answer this.
Kasi may mga anak ka dito binata. Consider ba na si Inigo na bumanak?
Naisip ko din, Lo.
Oh, hindi naman siguro na hindi kami umabot ni today because he's busy in the States. You know, he's doing some work in the States. So I think that's his priority for now. But given a chance, siguro we'll cross the bridge when we get there because even my son is not parang comfortable working with me. I mean, magtatawanan lang kami siguro.
Yun nga eh.
So we love to sing together, pero to act together, parang sabi ko, I'll take, you know, a really good script.
Sa palagay mo sa kaninong anak, tama. Sa kaninong character yung Bax bagay kay Inigo?
Kailangan magaling ka sa pareho. Hindi pwede mabait ka lang, hindi pwede masama ka lang. Kailangan lahat yung pagdaanan mo.
Galing,
So,
ah.
it has to be both. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Speaking of story, I'd like to acknowledge our creative manager, Joel Mercado.
Grabe.
Yes, happy birthday, Joel Mercado.
And of course, our head writer, Genesis Rodriguez. There he is,
Yes,
Mr.
Kuya Joel, grabe ka.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday pala.
Correct, last weekend. Okay, I think we're...
Aaron, sino next?
Yes, we have a question from Bon Belinario of
Of TV5.
Everyone to speak.
Everyone's excited na tanungan. Go ahead, Avon.
Hi, Kuya PJ, congratulations. Grabe yung episode kanina. This is your comeback sa teleserye after so many years.
Yeah.
Siyempre, iba yung acting sa TV, sa
Yeah.
teleserye.
Yeah.
May challenge ba? Nangapa ka ba during the first few days ng shoot? How did you handle those pangangapa period?
All right, so I'll take you back a year ago when I was doing Ibarra stage show. And then I switched to, before that I was doing the ride And then I went to Ibarra stage, and then I went Netflix for Chef Chico, and then I went to Malyari. So these are all different stories, these are all different characters. But when this was pitched to me, it's like coming home to my forte, my genre, which is rom-com. So sabi ko, wow, ang sarap ng pakiramdam na after all these years, you still get offers na alam mo pwedeng bigyan mo ng magandang buhay at magandang take. So yun lang naman yung sa akin. I'm just really happy to be back here doing the thing that I love the most, which is acting. Sobrang challenge. Kasi syempre iba ang acting ng TV. So I would tell my director, I would tell my co-actors, even my sabi ko, Mike, I'm gonna take it to this level because this is a big scene, this and that. And like with a script for a film, may journey kang sinusundan. Pero ito kasi, as you go along, it's slow burn eh. So ikaw mismo gagawa ng graph ng character mo. So TV discipline is different. And you tend to have to kind of, modify in such a way na magka-complement sa mga succeeding scenes. I think that's the challenge of it because we're doing like 4 months, 4 cycles, and syempre, ganun ka, talon-talon ka, we work on 3 scripts at a time. So kailangan sigurado ka doon sa pupuntahan ng character mo, yung limitation, yung parameters niya. So that's the challenge of it.
Of course, congratulations po from winning the FAMAS recently. Ngayon, after you won that Best Actor sa FAMAS, and ito ipapalabas nga itong Pamilya Sagrado, does it add pressure on your part na, nako, iba yung dikit na dikit yung pagkakapanalo ko sa FAMAS, and then may urian pa in the coming days?
Sa edad kong to, hindi na ako nagpapadala sa pressure kasi may trabaho at may kinakain tayo, okay na. I mean, kung ano naman yung dumating sa atin. I trust my career, the ABS, I know hindi man lang ako papabayaan, so hindi naman tayo kailangan mangamba because we're in good hands. And also, dito sa soap kasi, hindi naman, it's not to say na anak ko sila pareho. Kyle has a different backstory. So it's just really, I'm helping him out, get a life, get a career, and I tapped him to be a friend of my son. Yun yung day 3 niya. So hindi ko talaga siya.
Last on my point po, ano yung gusto nyong iwang social impact nung story for the audience?
Yung in-interview ako for the promo na lumalabas ngayon sa social media, ito yung magandang pagtuunan ng pansin because for us audience, may choice tayo sa mga nakikita natin, sa mga choices na ginagawa natin sa buhay. Kaya maraming characters dito sa story na to, ang dami mong kapupulutan ng aral, ang dami mong pwedeng puntahan for your character na makaka-relate ka. And this is what we are gonna give, the choices we have in life. And kung ano yung outcome ng choices mo, kung ano yung magiging resulta sa ginawa mo. So yun ay pinapakita, and i-mirror natin yung society.
Thank you, Kuya.
Thanks, Bon.
Congratulations.
Before I give the microphone kay Miss Kate Adahar, Papa P kasi from day 1, it was Lawrence Fajardo na kinonsider the organizer day, and Miss Kylie and the management. Wala kasi akong idea. Yung works niya, ayun. Paano mo nalaman na napakahusay pala talaga?
Gusto nila ng lalaking director, gusto nila yung action. Kasi obviously,
Ina-achieve
male-centric.
ibang mata.
Pagpasok pa lang niya, of course, syempre ABS tayo, meron na tayong template. Pero si Direk Lau really, kind of, not naman, he wasn't stubborn. He of course was a team player, but yun yung signature niya. I think that's the reason why we got him for it.
Medyo may pagka-stubborn. I mean,
I mean, for you as a director, hindi ka pwedeng maging dummy lang eh. Kailangan ipakita mo, the reason why we get you is because we want to see how you are as a director and what you can bring to the table. And Direk Lau really stood, he has his own roaming, may sarili siyang camera, and ang ganda ng mga shots mismo sa mismo gumagawa. We were all amazed. We were all impressed.
Nakita ko yung reaction mo kanina.
Kahit na-intimidate siya, he brought his A game. Ibang klase. Hindi siya nagpa-intimidate kumaha. Ang galing. Even Direk Andoy, you have to commend Direk Andoy kasi he also adjusted kay Direk Lau. But at the same time, iba yung binigay ni Direk Andoy dito. Silang dalawa.
Nagkapareho na nga yung
Yes.
look eh. Halos na sabay na, no? Okay, thank you, Papa P. I'll give the microphone to Kate Adahar for her set of questions. Hi, Miss Kate.
Hi, thank you. Hi, Papa P. Congrats. My question is, nabanggit na rin lang si Inigo kanina. As a father, kamusta yung parenting? Are you as strict as your character? Halimbawa, gusto niya rin mag-high-risk sport.
Oh wow, that's a good question. Growing up kasi, he didn't naman grow up with me, he grew up with his mom. So he would just come to me occasionally, or pag wala akong trabaho, he'd come to me, especially when he went to the States. And then nalo ko siya once or twice a year. So wala kami masyadong physical relationship or contact. But now, that he's already almost 30, he's 26, turning 27. He was like texting me the other day, "Pa, I want to do this business. Who can I partner up with? How do I start my business?
Wow.
Who should I contact for Taylor, this and that?" I'm like, "Son, that's adulting." Sige, gather it all, write it down, and then we discuss it when I see you next month. So nandun na siya sa puntong yun. But growing up, how I was as a father, hindi naman ako tolerant, pero I'm the cool dad. I've always been the cool dad because I never had a chance to live with him. So always when oras kami magkasama, I make it appear as if, it's the last day of the world. But now that it's become an adult, mas marami mo yung oras na nagtutour ako. And then he comes to my tour during break, magkikita kami, and we just spend father and son time together. And that's the best feeling. So me as a father, yeah, I'm a cool dad. I'm a friend. I can be a friend. Yeah.
Thank you. And for my second question, nabanggit na rin yung chemistry mo with Miss Mylene. Kasi nakita namin yung post niya, like sinusundo niya sila ni Kyle.
Yeah, kasi
Nagka-abs.
nakatabi room
Kumusta
sa
yung mga bonding moments?
Para kami high school, nagkikita-kita kami. Meron kami monthly reunion sa bahay niya sa West Grove. Si Dominic, si Enchong, si Bianco O'Malley, si Kyle, ako, yan si Mylene. So we're trying to gather some more people. Yan na, because of what we had started sa Pamilya Sagrado, nag-carry over siya dito sa labas na, we've been friends since the 90s. So, even Dominic at Show, na wala sa show, nakakasama namin lagi. We were just together last week. So, ang sarap nung gano'n, may bonding kayo outside the work.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Peach, follow up ko dun sa intimidating. Kasi intimidating talaga ang cast. May say ka in choosing Rosana, Aiko, Ina, John Arcilla, Tirso Cruz.
In all honesty,
Oo.
wala.
Hindi ka,
Yeah.
never ka nag-record.
I would. If I could, if I want to, pero naniniwala ako sa casting ng Dreamscape.
Ang lala, ang laki.
Sobra, di ba?
I know.
So, baga ba magre-reco, kaya na nila yan, mabibigay yung mas maganda pa. When this was pitched to me, all the names
Ah?
na first choice, lahat yun umoo.
Joel Torre.
Yeah, Tito JT. Si Tito JT, yung first nag-story ka kami, naka-joke palagay Joel Torre, pero hindi pa siya approved. Hindi pa siya nag-confirm, di ba? Pero si Tito Chupip, si John Arcilla, si Aiko, si Mylene, everyone said yes right away.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yung Aiko nga, paakit pa lang ng stair, ng hagdan, di ba? Kanina, doon
Iba yung
eksena.
Aiko.
Iba na yung impact niya, di
At
ba?
saka si Aiko na tamang excited sa pagbabalik sa ABS-CBN.
Right.
Kinarir.
Right.
Alright.
Talagang powerhouse.
Of course.